Hello and welcome everyone, this is Mr. Sovar with a video of the 2D EasyCore Game Engine example. This is a sneak peek of the alpha stage of the 2D Game Engine that is run on Lua and App GameKit. So right now this is the launcher window. As you can see, there's a web browser along with 3 buttons which link to my Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. The reason why I'm using my phone to record is because I do not have a screen recorder for Windows 10, and the ones I do download do not give me any video whatsoever, so I'm using my phone as a recorder. So this is my website, and you can click on, if I can find my mouse, there it is, my Facebook account. I'll say leave this, or just click on leave this page. And it goes to my Facebook, which is Patterbox Incorporated, even though I should be corporate, not incorporated. So this is the part that doesn't really work too well. It's the game name. I know it's a very important feature, but just type in A, and you can start your engine. Now, as you can see, the "Hey, how are you" is shaking up and down. I know the screen's a little bad for recording. But this is your actual game window. Now if we move the game window, you can see that there's another window for code. You have the begin code, main code, end code, add library, and help. Help is basically the web browser, just like you saw in the previous one. Sorry if there's lights in the background. Those are not eyes, those are just lights. So, here, let me see, try to, okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, so, let's go to begin code. As we have here, we have, create text and set text size. We have create text, hey, how are you, which is equal to A. This is just like the app GameKit command. Of course, I am not giving out any app GameKit code or anything like that. It's all compiled code. I bought app GameKit, so I have the rights to use it and to put it in my products. So I do access the command through Lua, which this is Lua-based programming using the commands of app GameKit. So what we have here is create text. It'll create the text into an identification number of A, which is a variable, and we can access that by seeing used as in set text size A to size 32. So when we go to the main code, what's making it go up and down is the random command going to the X variable, which is 1 to 10. And then you have set text position A, which was referenced in the begin code, as we can see. Hands shaky. As you can see, jeez, oh Pete. I wish I could get a screen recorder, but I can't find any. So A is equal to create text. So A is the identification number. Okay. And then we have the main code going 1 to 10. So as you can see here, it's jumping up and down. Now, a cool feature that you can do is you can go to the buttons over here, which stall engine. You can stall it. As you can see, the game engine is frozen. Go to here. Oops. Resume engine, and it continues. So you can pause your game and play your game. And you can edit the code in real time and actually edit your two-dimensional game, which I'll show you right now. So up here, we have 1 to 10. If we do 1 to 100, I'll have this code go over here, just to kind of show you. And I'm going to execute code, and it automatically real-time uploads the code to the actual program. So, some other things. Load files is basically just loading up the code file that is found in this big text area. Again, sorry for the camera or phone recording, but it just basically loads that. That's all it really is. And so we go right here. We can load media. which is within the media folder. You just pick your JPEG, PNGs, whatever, and you can automatically reference it into the actual video game that you're making. So let's just say, just for pretend, we get grass.png. We would upload it through here, click the open button, and we would just simply say load image grass.png. Whoops. And we could just access that into our video game, even though I'd have to do additional code to actually use it, which I'm not going to demonstrate. That's how you load your media into the video game. And also, another thing is, which is really fancy, is loading, oh wait, it's over here, add library. Now if you're a C# programmer, this is perfect. All you have to do is type in your commands at your .dll library or dynamic library, link library, from your C# program. You just have to add in the commands. Let's just say one of the commands is print. You literally just have to type in the print, and it's case sensitive, and you can add the command. Now I need to move this over, but basically you just need to name the namespace and the class. So I could do class library dot class. That would be the namespace, that would be the class. And you would literally just have to load lib, find your DLL file, open it, and it would automatically add the commands into this program. And you can access it through coding the begin code and the main code. So that's a little bit of what the engine does. Before I leave, now the reset button does not work. I still need to work on that, but you can do an export, and this would export your game that you developed into a separate folder on your desktop. So for now, the game is called Project Example. So when we go to here and we do export, it's going to do export once. Have to dig through all this stuff. Yeah, let me see. Too much stuff, too much stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, whoa, there's Project Example folder. Open up the folder. Okay, this did not work. Okay then, I might have to work on that. As I told you, it's an alpha stage, but still, as you can see, it's developing fairly well. I did have the export working just a moment ago. I don't know why it's not working anymore, but anyways, I guess I need to work on that. Oh, wait a second, I know exactly what's going on. Shoot. Okay, the reason why it doesn't work is because that underscore in clean underscore 2D easy, the underscores, it's being converted into like a slash due to the current directory in the code. It's a little too complex to explain over a video like this, but trust me, the export works. I'm going to make a second video to show you that the export works. I just have to change that folder name, which is the source of the game engine. So yeah, that's basically an example of how the actual game engine works. I hope you like it. Make sure to like the video, comment on what you want to say about the game engine, share the video, and also subscribe to me on YouTube. And hopefully sometime fairly soon I'll be able to put this on Steam. I'm going to be making more videos on how to use this and also write up some documentation along with fixing the bugs. If you have any features that you want to add, make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching. This is Mr. Sovar.